And welcome back. Here's what we're looking at here this morning. Temperatures, all right, they're kind of interesting out there. We're at 13 below in Land O'Lakes, 4 below in Eagle River, 2 above in Rhinelander, 2 below in Merrill. We're kind of all over the place in the temperature department this morning. We're all going to warm up pretty nicely into the lower 30s before we're all finished up, which is about where we should be for this time of the year. At 34 is our average high. Lower 40s on the way for Saturday, lower 30s by Sunday into Monday. Middle 30s Tuesday and a Wednesday. That'll feel nice again. Then lower 30s again as we do head towards your Thursday of next week. So here's what we're looking at here. Advisories are out for the ice potential that we have on the way late tonight and the parts of Saturday. Winter weather advisories up. Some areas will be up until about the noon time frame on Saturday. Pull this map further down toward the south and it'll get dropped just a little bit sooner at about 9 a.m. on Saturday. So it'll be dropped from southwest to northeast. And really on top of that, winter storm watches up for the northwestern parts of the state with a little bit more ice accumulations possible and some more snow accumulations to watch out for as well. Here's what we're looking at here right now. So this cloud's moving in from the west to the east, and we're going to be watching for that throughout the daytime today, so nothing too dramatic going on today. So if you want to do anything outdoors or maybe plan ahead for this thing, today would be that day to do it because the winds will start to pick up later on tonight with the ice chances increasing by about 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. As this front right here tracks from the southwest to the northeast, and this will keep things interesting for a few days. We almost have literally everything on the way, and I'll explain what literally everything means in a little bit. Here's what we're looking at here. Mostly cloudy today, winds increasing by about 5 to 6 p.m. later on tonight. As you notice, the isobar is starting to stack right there. That tells you it's going to be a little bit more on the windier side. With really things getting going by about 4 to 5 a.m. from southwest to northeast. This will fall as a wintry mix, mainly some freezing rain as well. That will switch over to definitely allowing ice to accumulate in many areas, especially with the frozen ground. Then we'll see this switching over to all rain with even thunderstorms possible in many areas as low pressure moves through. Then by tonight and tomorrow, we'll be on the back edge of this with some snow possible by Sunday morning. And once we get this through, we will be finished up with this system. The ice potential, this is what we're looking at here. About 1/4 of an inch or less of ice possible in many areas before we're all finished up with lesser amounts to the south. So this will make things slippery, allow some of that ice to form on trees. It could knock some tree branches down and cause you to lose power too. So plan ahead for possible power outages and roads to be blocked in some situations. On top of that though, by Sunday morning, maybe a few inches of snow possible, mainly Rhinelander areas on north before we're all finished up. So not a lot of snow possible. The big concern this weekend will be the ice potential from this system. On top of that though, some heavy rain possible. This is between now and Sunday, up to 1 inch of rain possible, and this combines all the types of precipitation here. This is how much water's in the atmosphere. So I'm concerned about some flooding with this too, with of course all the snow on the ground and the storm sewers covered in all that ice and snow as well. The ground definitely frozen at this point. And storms possible too here. This is a marginal risk where some of the storms go on the stronger side near parts of Wausau and areas to the south. So this is gusty winds and maybe hail possible. So this is what I mean by literally everything on the way for this weekend. So your forecast for today, lower 30s under a mostly cloudy sky and a southeast wind getting up to around 5 miles per hour. Later on tonight, 23 degrees. That wintry mix will be moving in by about 4 to 5 a.m. That southeast wind getting up to around 25 miles per hour. In your Northwoods furniture and mattress 7-day forecast, yes, you're not mistaken. That's a little thunderstorm icon right there on top of that wintry mix changing over to rain. We will see some storms possible too. Then by Sunday, switching over to a little bit of morning snow. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we dry out a mixture of clouds and sun. Temperatures in the 30s. The more snow by Thursday.